So hi guys, today we are making a Father's Day craft. Now I'm going to paint my brother's hand. Right now he's not that silly. Oh no. Okay. Okay, that's better than tackle kiss. Oh no. Put this in these fingers together. Okay, put those fingers together and put your thumb
No, this
out.
way. It goes this way. No, this way. See, it goes that way.
Press it down. Press it down. Oh no. Okay, now I'm going to set it to the side. Now I'm going to cut this out. My handprint's out. I'm dead. Oh, he's still here. I didn't know that.
Mommy, first I was doing it on the table.
And don't do it on the table. But you might need two for your handprints. You're gonna need two of them, just so you know, because you don't need one, you need two, just like the picture.
Mommy, the second one was very good. Mommy, that one and that one are good. 2 thumbs up.
I got one out. And this is supposed to be a fast craft. So now I got them out, and now I'm going to draw a face. Wait, what can I do? This way. And now I'm going to cut out my fishing pole, and the heart, and the circle, and the rectangle square thing. So now we have our fishing pole and our heart and our squares thing and our circle. And then I'm going to take my blue water and stick it on. And now I'm going to take my glue. I probably should do that. Now I'm going to take my fishing pole and glue it on. If I can get it the right spot. Now I'm going to add my thing, rectangle, on your big I'm just silly. I'm always silly. And then I'm going to add the circle thing right here. Oh, there. It's on. And then I'm going to add my string. Dun, 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 dun. And this is almost end. And this is almost end. And how we're going to do the string is so. And You want to tuck it in under here because under here, but make sure to put some glue on it too. And now I'm going to cut the yarn off, like this there, and I'm going to take my fish. You could do one like this or like this, either one. But it's kind of hard to decide. I want to do this one. Yeah. No. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to add my heart right to the tip. There's already glue right there. I want it to go like that. And you could probably do it any way you want to for the heart. And just remember, I would put your fish onto the hut. And now I'm going to add my other fish right here. Yeah, right there. I don't care. Yeah. Done, I think. And here is